I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Drive desktop app because that's where backup controls live. Sign into the Google account that's doing the backup, then click the Drive for desktop or backup and sync icon in the system tray or menu bar. Once the menu appears, choose Preferences or Settings to reveal backup targets. You need to see which folders, external drives, or device folders are selected. This is the first actionable step, so you can turn off only what you mean to stop. Now, uncheck the specific folders or external drives listed under My Computer or Google Drive folder backup. This stops new uploads from those locations. If you prefer an immediate halt without removing selections, use the Pause or Disable Backup to Google Drive toggle. Note Pause is temporary, Disable is persistent. Once you change selections, click Save or Done. The app will sync those settings to your account, so make sure to allow a minute for the preference to propagate. Finish by confirming on Drive, Google.com or the mobile Drive app that no new files from those folders appear. This verifies the stop worked. If settings seem stubborn, sign out and sign back in, or fully restart the Drive for desktop app. Sometimes a restart forces the server sync. As a last resort, uninstalling Drive for desktop removes background backup entirely. If you still see uploads, check for other backup apps or multiple Google accounts, causing overlap, and disable them too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.